Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and what I want to do in this video is show you how let expressions work in the Ballerina programming language. So I'm going to create a new file, let.bal. Okay, and it's pretty simple. Like, let is not necessarily like a variable declaration like it is in JavaScript. And it's not really, you're not really assigning a block of code like you might do it in like in ReasonML or OCaml. It's more allowing you to chain together several expressions to come up with a resulting value. So for example, let's say I want to come up with a, well, let's first do import ballerina / io ballerina / io, there we go, colon, function, oh, let's do that, there's a little shortcut there, public function main. Thank you little extensions in VS Code. Now why is that complaining now? Oh, because I haven't used it yet. Okay, cool. So let's create a variable. So let's say integer result, even though I spelled integer wrong, integer result equals x equals let x equals 5. That's my first expression. Okay. Then I'm going to say y equals 4. And then once I'm done chaining off multiple expressions, I'm going to use the keyword in. Okay, and the keyword in, then I put one final expression. The result of that expression is the result. So I'm going to say x plus y. Okay, let's see here. It doesn't like it. Y. Smash input, expecting. We'll take a look at this other example over here. Var results. I'll just let it. I'll just use the var keyword so that way it'll dynamically figure it out. Var, yeah, that still doesn't like it. Oh, I gotta type things. Okay, int. Okay. So basically the way this reads is that my variable result will equal the result of this let block, this let expression. And the way it works is that I can do an expression. If I want to do another expression, I did a comma, do that expression. Once I get to the final expression, I'm going to use the keyword in. And it means the result of this final expression will be the value of result. Now you only do this if basically that final expression is really dependent on the previous expressions. Because again, what's x plus y if I don't let x equal 5 first and y equals 4 second? Okay, and then now that I've done that, and the beauty of this is, let's say I have these two variables that I need to get from somewhere. The minute that this expression is done, these values no longer have a reference, because again, this is kind of like running a function. So these variables are local to this let expression, so they'll get garbage collected. So it's a nice memory feature, but also allows you to do multiple expressions on one line, which is also can be useful. And then yeah, let's just do IO print line, and we'll print line result. Still not in the best typing habit that I should, but okay, so in this case we're now not doing Ruby right now, we're doing Bal. So let me open up this terminal, and the command would be ballerina run let.bal. That will compile, and so you get 9, because 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so that is how let expressions work in Ballerina. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. My name is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com. Have a great day and enjoy.